Alright, today we're going to install a rear brake cooler. It's to stop your brake fluid boiling over if you do off-road stuff. Just going to show you how I'm going to put that in. First, you're going to need the brake fluid cooler. It's a product of Ballards. You're going to need a syringe. You're going to need a 16mm open end. You're going to need a 12mm open end. You need your brake fluid. And some rags. Always need rags. Put your rag under here, just to stop all the fluid dripping everywhere. Okay. Grab your needle, put it in, grab some brake fluid. You're not going to need that much, but just to top it back up. Alright. Going to crack this bolt. Okay, brake fluid's going to come out. So you got to have it all ready, have all your tools ready to go. You got to keep an eye on that brake fluid reservoir too, so you don't want to stuff around for too long. So you got to top that reservoir back up, because you're losing fluid. Nip that up, push this forward, get that bolt ready. Start putting that bolt in. Okay. Wipe it all down. Alright, so there's going to be air in the brake system. There definitely is going to be. I now got to bleed the brake. I'm going to show you how to bleed the brake on the CRF250L. Alright, you're going to need your brake fluid, dot free. You're going to need your syringe. You're going to need an 8mm. You're going to need a bottle. Also going to need some clear tube. Also going to need a Stanley knife. Just got to cut a small hole in the top of here. Alright, you cut yourself a bit of tube and put that tube in here. go. Alright, before we get into it, I'm just going to let you know this video is extremely hard to do by myself. I needed a hand, but still got the job done. The brake pedal in the video is really squishy because there's air in the system and I had to bleed it out. I got the air out and then the pedal became stiff and then I cracked the valve, and you do the valve back up and then you pump the pedal till it's stiff and you crack the valve again. That's when you know there's no air in your brake system. Keep pumping. Let it out. Pump, pump, pump. Let it out. Pump. Pump, pump. Pedal should start getting hard. Take it off. That's all the old fluid. There's no air in the system now. Clean it up. Alright, put the cap back on.